When you need a powerful metal shear, but your shop might not have the space for a large-scale machine, look no further than the G0828 25-inch benchtop metal shear. The G0828 features an all-steel body and shear table, as well as high-speed steel upper and lower shear blades. Both blades feature dual cutting edges and are easily rotated for longer life. The heavy-duty handle and ball-bearing hinge points are ideal for cutting through sheet metal up to 18 gauge in thickness at full width, or 16 gauge thickness on half-width cuts. Precisely cut square workpieces with the built-in 90-degree guide with indicator scale, or dial in the exact angle with the removable angle cutting guide. On the back side of the shear, you can easily adjust the work stops for repeat cuts. This unit is heavy duty and sure to provide years of service in your shop, so be sure to check out the G0828 25-inch benchtop shear, or its big brother, the G0829 41-inch benchtop shear today on Grizzly.com.